truth that you'll be living tonight.
What is up, you guys? Welcome to a potentially spooky video. I did not know what angle I wanted to kind of create a fresh start with. I had shared a little bit on my Instagram stories of how I was gonna get a little bit more creative with my channel and less stuff and more creativity and more fun, and maybe do some Halloween stuff a little bit early. And I was introduced to this concept by you guys of a Summerween video, and I thought that could be really freaking fun. So I thought, why not do a little movie night, some fun treats, I don't know, get a little bit crazy. I've put on one of my Halloween necklaces, which I love. I just got some treasures. I went on like a little Etsy shop and got a little koozie, a little Mickey koozie for Halloween. I'm ready. The HHN announcements have happened. Universal's getting set up for Halloween Horror Nights already. There is a moth in here, so we've already started the spooky vibes. Stop it. I don't like moths. I don't like butterflies and I don't like moths. Fun fact about me. So the spooks are on. Okay, cool. Yay. The thunderstorm is rolling in. The vibes are real. Oh, we're gonna put on Halloween playlist first. So we'll put on some spooky music first, and then I'm gonna roll my TV over here, clean up this whole area. And the truth is, where this is coming from is not only, you guys kind of planted the seed of Summerween, but what if I could maybe have an excuse to go check out my Halloween bins? So we are still in the process of moving in. We're almost completely done unpacking everything and organizing everything. And we have donated and gotten rid of so much of our stuff, and it is so therapeutic to just live with less things. And I just feel like we're changed people, which I love. I mean, I basically own only 5 strapless rompers and like 4 sports bras now. Like, that's it, which I love. And I garden. Who am I? But in this cleaning and this organizing, I went through my Halloween bins and I organized the garage. So I want to go out there and kind of play with the treasures and pull some stuff out and use it and decorate this whole area headed into tonight. So I'm hoping for a good thunderstorm. It's definitely raining, but I'm hoping for like a good moody movie Summerween night. So if that's something you guys want to see, then just keep watching.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
So we have set everything up. You helped me. I'm still going through bins in the garage. I'm having way too much fun. I got a couple blankets out. I got my Halloween slippers. I have some fairy lights. I just put some leaves over my Rolly TV, which honestly was like the most epic purchase ever because I can literally bring it anywhere. But I'm thinking of putting it on the other side of my food table because I'm gonna do snacks. We're gonna do popcorn. Obviously, popcorn is life. So I'm thinking I'm loving this. And then whatever I make for dinner might end up like a little spread for Andre and I. And we're gonna watch something. I don't know, we're gonna probably watch a not so scary movie. So I'm very excited about all of this. And the thunder is rolling in. Hopefully you can hear that. It's pretty epic. I think because we're in the mountains, it like shakes that much more. It's epic. I'm gonna try opening the windows. Just actually no, the humidity right now is crazy. So we are going to get some cocktails flowing. I made some macaroni in a little cauldron. That was one of my pre-snacks. Not gonna lie, just down that while I was setting everything up. Super good. Listen to my music. So now I'm gonna go probably get a cocktail flowing and some popcorn, and then I'll make a little spread for Andre and I here, and we'll watch a movie. So let's keep going, shall we? Andre helped me carry the TV back there just so that it made more sense and we could like eat and watch our movie. So I'm watching Hocus Pocus right now, and I think I'm going to do a little bit of Halloween sketching for special things that are gonna launch. So I took out all of I organized like all my papers and markers and coloring things into one bin. So I'm gonna play and design some cool stuff. The storm has pretty much passed. I do have a little friend here who's a little bit unsure.
How are you doing? You wanna come out from under there? You're not sure? Okay. All good.
No problemo, senor. So I'm thinking we're gonna do a Summerween movie marathon. Now, also I want to address something. No, this is not a fort. I'm okay with it. We can't take out all the bins and all the blankets, and I can't dismantle the whole house. So we're doing more of like a movie setup, and we'll save the fort for the fall. So I'm gonna have my cocktail, popcorn, create some good stuff, and watch Hocus Pocus 2. So good. And hopefully my little friend here comes sit with me soon. That's the end of our movie. I think I'm gonna watch Hotel Transylvania next. I was very successful in trying to make sure you can't see anything of what I was just drawing. Nail down 3 different designs, and no, it's not covers, and it's nothing you've ever seen before. It is very much inspired by you guys and something that I know that you would love, and it is also a full circle like dream thing for me to be able to design this and create this. I don't know if it'll be out by this Halloween, but I'm gonna try my hardest, and I'm so excited. So there's 3 of them. They're all different, do I give this away? Personalities. That's all I'm gonna say. This was so fun. Andre and I are gonna set up dinner. He's starting to cook right now, so I'm gonna go join him. I'm pretty sure we're barbecuing some stuff, and the storm has officially passed, so the timing of this was perfection. I hope that you guys loved this. Thank you for being a part of it. Pretty sure this is gonna stay up, and if you guys wanna see more Summerween or summer videos, let me know in the comments down below, because I always read everything that you guys tell me. I was thinking about doing like a Summerween dinner party style video. I don't know what that would look like, but I'm here for it, and I think it would be super fun. All right, I love you guys. Go check out Instagram as well as shorts on here. I'm trying to post like short form content for you guys also. You can hear him, he's ready.
Do you want to say hello? Are you here? You're here to say goodnight to everybody?
Here, you wanna go on here? We are launching more floor pillows. Why are you such a star and you always want to be a part of everything? I love it though. You a good boy? The storm passed. We're okay. We will see you guys in the next video very soon. Thank you for being a part of this. You guys are seriously so amazing. And I'll see you very, very soon. Okay, I'm gonna go help cook. Bye, you guys.